Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.